I'm Leo Warder for Kit Guru, and it's unboxing time. In this very plain brown box, because the retail stuff hasn't arrived yet, I have a Corsair K70 RGB rapid fire keyboard. The rapid fire is significant because, of course, we have seen K70 RGB before. Let me just pull out the doings and also the wrist rest and other bits and pieces, and hurl the box to one side. So there you go. It looks exactly the same as the previous K70 RGB, and of course without being plugged into a PC you don't get the RGB at the moment. So it's aluminium, it's a full-size keyboard. There's also a K65 RGB rapid fire which misses out that section, so the number pad moves over, so it's about yay long. This is $149.99, the 65 is $119.99, or you can have this K70 without the RGB but still rapid fire for $119.99. And what is rapid fire? It's significant. Cherry MX switches. The new rapid fire has Cherry MX speed switches. Speed means 1.2 millimeters of travel rather than 2 millimeters, so it's more responsive. Gamers. What they say is, for typists, there is a learning curve. Anyway, there we go. That's the new K70 RGB rapid fire. We're going to do a review on Kit Guru, of course, and it's all about those Cherry MX speed switches. I'm Leo Warder for Kit Guru.